Hello guys, welcome back on our technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover this email ID if you lost, if your email ID has been stolen by someone or it has been hacked by someone in a case. So this particular ID actually due to losing of this device, especially his device, my friend who has recommended to recover this especially Gmail ID because there is some urgent data, so I decide to recover the live here with recording. So let's learn step by step. This can be possible, guys, if we fill sufficient information to especially Google according to the guidelines, and then this can be recovered easily. Right now, see, we don't have the password, so we have an opportunity to go another way. Now here is asking, so let's see what's coming here. Here is asking the number, but we don't have the number, so just we have an opportunity another that we don't have. Click on here. Now it's saying that they couldn't sign on you. Why it shows? Because especially it thinks that you didn't provide enough information for the Google to be sure that your account is really yours. Google asks for this info to keep your account secure. So if you would like to secure and reflects yourself that you are a real owner, of course this ID belongs to you, then of course you will have to provide, of course you will have to provide enough information, sufficient information that on the basis of you can the claims that this ID is yours. So let's see now. Right now it's not coming, so what we will do, guys, here simply just we will come in a Play Store. So let's see, we will come in a Play Store. So where it is, here it is. Of course we will tap on here Play Store and the upon. Now here just we will go for not now. Now we will here type yes, M-A-R-T smart, sorry, let me on here smart browser, and we will tap on it. So now see here, a smart browser, safer and fast. Of course this can be utilized to recover your Gmail ID easy way. So just we will go for install this. So now see it's trying to install. Almost it's a total size of this browser is 29 MB. So it's installing. On the other hand, of course I have to do some works on Google product, that is a browser, Google browser. Just we will tap on I dot, and thereupon of course we will give in the permission. After coming the permission, of course we will try to navigate in the location to, of course we will click here don't allow anyway, guys. We will have to select these ones. We will back, and thereupon of course here once more time we will have to back, and after coming here we will come the set as a defaults this ones, and here just we will disable this, open the links, and thereupon once again we will enable and we will clear all the defaults. Approximately 10 times we will have to click on a clear default preference, and thereupon we will make disable it. Now we have another browser, that is especially Chrome, that is also developed by especially Google. So of course we will click on here now I dot, and thereupon of course similar status we will have to execute come the permission. After coming the permission, of course we will have to become locations, navigate the location. After coming the location, of course we will click here don't allow anyway. Why it shows? Because asking that if you deny this, the permission based feature of your device may no longer the function as intended. Of course we can go for don't allow anyway. So this has been elected. Now we will back, and thereupon of course we will come in a defaults app. So where it is, defaults systems, defaults app, we will have to become the open by defaults option. Let's have here we will clear these preferences and we will stop it, and thereupon Just once again here we will backs, and we will come in once again in I dot of this Chrome browser, and upon of course here open by defaults, no default set here. Let's see, no default set is given here. Files. Now app language pictures, no, we will not go. Now on this Google browser, of course we will come in I dot, and upon of course here open default, especially open by defaults. Just here is no links has been displayed, so just we can the closets. Now as we see here, what is that, what was that? Smart browser. So we will have to check it out where it is. Sure, let's here just we will write smart, S-M-A. Sure, yes, M-A. Let me back. I don't know, so just we will come the Play Store, and still it's 56%, it's not installed yet, so we will have to wait here. It's working very slow guys here. We will have to wait, let it complete firstly. Still it's taking time, but of course I assure 100% guys, if you do similar status, then of course you will be able to either recover quickly as soon as possible any ID. Either your ID has been stolen by someone, of course hacked by someone, or of course in a case if you have lost your device, then you know only once your Gmail ID, you don't know password, you don't have the registered the recovery mobile numbers, you don't have especially register the recovery Gmail ID, however you can recover it. So still it's fetching, but of course very slow the data is fetching to download it, so we will have to wait here, let it complete. Almost especially we have done 75%, so 25% is remain here. We will have to complete it, and upon of course the further we will go for it. It's working, but of course maybe on this device it's working slow, so let's see. Now 20% remains hands, of course let it complete firstly, then now 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute now. $85 means of course the 15% approximately now 14-15 percentage remain here. We will have to let it complete. It's downloading, but of course very slow guys. As the 10% is remain here guys. See how the slowly it's working. Maybe a server or internet speed is not quite good here, and that's why there may be reasons, but however of course we will try to get the proper solution as soon as possible on this Gmail ID particular. 4% is remaining guys, almost we have done so. %3 is more, almost we have done. 2% is more. Now 1% is almost we have done guys. Now it's installing, let it complete installations, then and upon of course we will go for further step. Now see it's essential that we can go for open it. So here just directly we will open it. So it's essential that allow this matter brought a special notification, of course we can allow it. We'll go for the continue. So now see here, application launching. So of course we will wait here, and upon on this, especially we have an opportunity to just write here Google. Just we will have an opportunity to sign in directly on a green dot, sorry, blue dot. Just click on sign in. So of course here we will write, so of course right here ID Jack Harper, and just we will go for next set, and upon of course here now see here is asking the password. Of course we will go for forget, and upon of course we don't have a number directly quick to access it. Now here is asking, so they especially don't click on it, especially on the track, otherwise of course your ID would be a freeze for timing or for one day. This can be a reason also here that you are trying to especially guess this ID that doesn't belong to you especially, but however you are trying to recover this ID by virtue of different browsers. So don't do it here, don't click on a track, and simply now we will have to go for smartly on tap on your setting of this device. So particularly we will come in a setting, so where it is, of course we will come the setting option. So where it is, let me here it is setting, we will tap on it here, we will come the Google service. So here it is Google service. Now that we have especially three dot, we will come in a help 2. Of course we will go in a search bar, and we will have to explain the proper options. Lost my phones. So now that we have a 4-5 opportunity, we will pick first one, tap it on, and upon of course yes, let's see. See, it's not further going, maybe internet problems in this way. Just we will back right here once again, lost or stolen device. Now here is the options that open the browser and asking, of course we have an opportunity to internet browser. Just we will come by this browser directly. See, it's asking, just pick this browser, and upon of course we will open with this browser. So now see, it's opening directly this browser. Now on it here, what we have to do, we have an opportunity that recover your options. Just we will go for here, tips to the complete account recovery steps. This one we will have to announce that we have especially open to recovery, and what we will say here, just we will type once again that Gmail ID, and upon of course we will go for next. So see guys, here of course directly would be here. So it's asking that especially I'm the welcome back, and here is we have an opportunity. There's one is especially update part, or second is especially we have a for continue. What we have to do here, just we don't click on a continue, otherwise of course Google will trust easily that something is of course false. So what we will go for here, just we will click here update option. So now directly it's giving an opportunity to generate especially a strong password here. So we have an opportunity to, especially according to our visualization, that we can generate here on a strong password. Right now on a live screen recordings we are not going to generate, but of course we have another option also, that is escapes. Directly firstly we will escape it, and thereupon of course we will secure some data, and thereupon of course we will generate a new password on it spontaneously. What we have to do here guys, now Here we have to do that. We can change the recovery's email ID. We can change the especially recovery registered mobile number and the phone. Now the ID is totally secured now. Obviously you can listen to it. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further my inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. A pleasure would be managed to the reply of the query, guys. And how easily this can be recovered easy way. Do procedure step by step. Don't miss one and especially a step, otherwise you won't be able to recover. And don't do extra, especially knowledge or info on it. Just do step by step similar strategy and you would be able to recover this browser. So this is all about in this video tutorial, and if it is possible then you can clean off your Google Chrome, so Google browser history. That will be much more better to recover it also. So this is all about. If you have any inquiry confusions, and then of course the blindly there is the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to reply of the query, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.